So here's what the dev keycaps look like compared to GMK. They're a little bit thicker. This is the control key for both of them. And I believe this is F11. And then here is 5. The legends are actually pretty good. I know there was a lot of issues with them, but when I put the keycaps on the board, I'll get a close-up and see how uniform the legends are and if they're all straight. Here's the typing test for GMK. So here's the keycaps. The legends actually don't really look off. Like the slightest one that I see is right here. The H looks like it's a little bit off, but I personally don't see what everybody was talking about. There really isn't that much of a difference in the legends, especially for how much the set is. Looks good to me. So I got the dev keycaps on. I ordered these from Mech Market. It was $100 shipped, and as of March 5th, 2018, these are on mass drop, and you can order them. I believe it's $109 shipped for the base set and the Triumph mods, as long as you're shipping to the US. So this is what they sound like. I plan on doing some sort of silencing, especially because I'm going to be upgrading the domes in this to 55 gram domes. So if you want to see anything else, let me know. I'm actually thinking about ordering another base set of these for mass drop and then just experimenting dyeing these black to see if the legends will still show. So I might try doing something like that to get like a knockoff PBT pulse. So have a good one, you guys.